There viewers, all my new MOSFETs have arrived. Let's get this UPS repaired. Once I remove all these ones, I'll take that one out too. It looks physically okay, but it'll be damaged. I'll just test it. If not, I'm going to change it anyway. And I'll test this one. Anyway, let's get this UPS repaired. If there was more web inside that, I could put a bit of aluminium on that heatsink, make it more better. Anyway, let's get repairing. Okay, well I've got them replaced. I've tested that first one. That one tested okay, so that's not damaged. There we go. Filipino made and MAR, which I think is Myanmar or something made. Looks pretty original. Looks good now. Anyway, let's put this thing back together and give it a test. I'm going to put it on this little power supply first to see how it reacts. Let's do a test before I put it back and put it back in service. Actual test load hooked up, 4.2 volt, 1.3 amps. The inverter is running. Don't worry about my stupid reading, that's just because it's a UPS and these cheap ass multimeters, not sure RMS. Don't like that. It's working. It's an inverter again. It's an inverter again. It's working. It's not putting stupid currents, so it's working normally now. Sweet. Now I'm going to put a small load on it. It's because it's a small AC load. It doesn't matter. It's going to I'm not going to overload that. Kind of hard to unplug there. But it's working as an inverter. It's working. It works. Plug this light in. Carefully I put my fingers, as it is an inverter. So let's put this camera down for a second. I'll plug this in. See if it's, my power supply has enough to demand this load here. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I won't because I kicked the cord out. Bad connections aren't going to help, but it's for a good test purpose. So I'll hold this in. Big spark. Yep, it's working, and I'm putting 3.1 amps to run this LED light bulb. The inverter is working. Sweet. Just because you blow up a UPS, doesn't matter, it's written off and throw it in the bin. When you have a bit of electronics knowledge, you can test components. And in this case, it was about $18 total to fix this thing. 18 bucks, cheap. 3.2 amps, turn the load off. 1.3 amps idle. Turn this off, it's just fixed. Lesson learned. It doesn't have overlap protection, so don't fill it up too much. So this is going to stay as an IT power UPS, not for anything else other than the computer. Only computer, strictly only computer. And this cheap ass jumper leads nice and hot. Okay, UPS is fixed. It's time to reassemble it. Yeah, I won't put the battery in it yet. I'll put this thing away as a spare. This will be a good spare. So now it's fixed, it's going to be a spare. I leave these two Socamec ones here to keep the battery healthy. The Socamec ones at least have got a good protection. This one doesn't, so this is going to stay as a spare UPS. But the UPA puppy is now fixed. Sweet. The inverter works, which means I'll charge the battery too. Anyway, Bobby Dazzler. Thanks for watching.